The ESEE Advanced Survival Kit is built from quality, time-tested tools. This kit is not a bug-out bag, it's a survival kit. This means the kit doesn't give you food and water, the kit gives you a method to obtain both. The kit is designed to be tossed in a truck or on an ATV and kept for a really bad day. The small kit is lightweight at only 4 or 5 pounds fully loaded. It's jam-packed with useful gear. Not just useful, but high-quality gear, this kit was developed by Randall's Adventure and Training as a comprehensive survival kit for pilots, motorists, outdoorsmen, and world travelers. The kit features a made-in-the-USA Cordura bag with a detachable map case and removable backpack straps. The kit components have been chosen by the Randall's Adventure and Training team after years of working in remote locations with minimal gear. For emergency uses, this bag is capable of providing most survival requirements, from the shelter, fire, navigation, self-rescue, and water gathering to short rappels down high-angle environments. Malice clips allow the ESEE kit to be attached to any mole. The kit can be worn as a backpack via straps or as a messenger bag. The straps also make it easy to strap the bag onto something. For a boater, it may be valuable to strap this kit to something that floats, possibly the same for someone flying a brush plane. It contains tools for survival as well, tools to help the user escape and evade hostile forces. It can be used in conjunction with your current knife, multi-tool, and weapon system or as a standalone kit. This is small enough to be carried on the person at all times when working or traveling in potentially hostile environments. Let's dive into the kit itself. The front pouch is all your instructions for the knife, the headlamp, and the compass that is included in the kit. The front pouch also contains an H bandage, and there's room to add extra medical gear. The main pouch is where the party is at. Contents contained in a Cordura nylon PSKT pouch, 5 into 3.75 into 1.5 inches, offered in 2 configurations. Advanced and Basic includes a detachable map case, snare wire, basic fishing kit, Tinder quick-fire tabs, rapid rescue orange whistle, pocket spiral saw, emergency duct tape, Fresnel lens, 10-foot orange survey tape, 30-inch small cordage pencil wrangler bands, bright strike green light, H bandage, nav card set, survival card set, Ride in the Rain notebook, ESEE 4P Special Edition knife. The bag opens completely and gives you immediate access to the tools inside the kit. Everything is packed brilliantly. The front flap has a mesh net for a variety of small goods. It also has a pouch that holds 2 emergency blankets, 2 pouches of utility flame, and a package of small plastic bags. The rear part of the main bag features a large section of rope that is wrapped around anything in the kit. It's secured by Velcro straps. This rope is 25 feet in length and 8 millimeters in diameter. The genius of the pack is in how it's packed. You're fitting a ton of gear in a very small package. There are a number of notable pieces of gear that should be mentioned. Petzl Tikka. The Tikka is a simple headlamp that works well. A flashlight is great, but a headlamp is oh so much better. Headlamps make it easy to move with both hands free while casting a light. The Tikka has 2 brightness settings, and the LED is a battery sipper. The Tikka is nice and bright. Headlamps are excellent for emergency survival. They allow you to work with both hands and still have a light. ESEE 4, it's a good knife, a really good, really well-made fixed blade knife. Rest assured this bad boy can cut through anything the average user will need. It's sharp enough to easily cut through a piece of paper with a single light slice. The thick blade makes it easy to gain some leverage with your thumb and cut through thick and dense material. As a slashing tool, it rips through the cardboard with ease. Swiss Army knife, this is a real Victorinox Swiss Army knife, not a made-in-China piece of junk. This basic model is packed with useful and well-made tools. From a screwdriver to a can opener, you're ready to go. Mess tin. Is the mess tin the best piece of gear in the kit? You could argue it's the most important. The mess kit allows you to boil water, which means you can purify water. Without drinking water, you're dead pretty fast. The mess tin does a whole lot more. It certainly makes eating easier. However, boiling water is the most important task it can accomplish. Let's talk about the bag. There's a high level of genius built into how this bag is packed. Everything has a spot and everything has a purpose. All of the gear is super easy to access, and the bag is deceptively small once you start unpacking everything. The bag is extremely well made. It comes in either olive drab or bright orange. The top is fitted with a small elastic band with slots to hold small items. Perfect for a glow stick to make sure you can find your bag at night. You also get a generous portion of Velcro on the front. The pack has two compartments, a small and the main compartment. The rear of the bag has a generous helping of mole. There are also 3 separate straps that allow you to carry the pack as a backpack or a messenger bag. As a messenger bag, you could use the mole to extend the bag size with additional pouches or slap a rifle mag carrier on it. Every little piece of this kit is high quality. The small Cordura bag hides a surprising amount of tools. These tools are just jammed in there and the kit isn't bursting at the seams. Tools don't come tumbling out when you unzip the kit. In reality, the only real loose item is the ESEE 4 survival knife. On top of this tarp is a 60-inch by 60-inch tarp that's yellow for easily signaling. You also get 2 extremely thick yellow trash bags that are 45 gallons in size. In the center is a small tin box that is actually a cooking pot with a handle. The kit is filled with small pieces of survival gear, including a compass, matches, flint, a real Swiss Army knife, water purifying drops, snare wire, and a lot more. You get a Petzl headlamp and batteries for it. You have a bright orange carabiner that is rated for a 24-kilogram load, so it can hold a real load. A small top pouch with quad folding flaps holds 2 tins, one is sealed, and this is your fishing kit. This small kit comes with everything you need for survival fishing. The other tin can be used to house your own small gear, or you can place the waterproof survival cards included in the kit. You get 9 survival cards, which cover a wide variety of different topics, and you get 3 map cards. This kit has pretty much everything you could possibly need outside of a firearm, some ammo, and some basic food and water. The kit itself includes 0 cap, every product included is high quality, and of course, every Randall product is extremely well made. The little things are what make life just a little bit better. Even in a survival situation, the little things can make life so much better. The little things rely on creativity. A thinking man will always do more with less. You can take the 2 trash bags, fill them with leaves, and form a basic isomat. This will keep you off the cold or wet ground. The trash bags can, of course, be turned into a poor man's poncho. The LED bright strikes are perfect for marking a camp at night and extremely bright and easy to use. Almost all of the gear is a bright, easy-to-see color, the kind of colors that will draw the attention of people searching for you. These little things rely on creativity. A thinking man, a man who thinks, will always, each and every time, do more with less. You can take the 2 trash bags, fill them with leaves, and form a basic isomat. Do you believe that? This will make you keep off the cold or wet ground. The LED bright strikes are perfect for marking a camp at night and extremely bright and easy to use. The survival cards and Write in the Rain notebook offer a ton of valuable information that is worth paying attention to. The kit is just well made. You can tell actual experts assembled it all and packed it. If you think something else about ESEE Advanced Survival Kit should be in the video, let us know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the following videos here and check out our product link in the description box below.